Hi to everyone. Today we are going to install the irrigation system for a green. It's actually a golf course construction. So the main loop line around the green, that is the digging of it, is in progress. Soon we will start the pipe installation. So let me show you the sprinkler placement. So if you can see, there is a circle lines going on top of the green surface. So these circle lines are actually showing the throw of the sprinkler, that how much power a sprinkler will throw the water. You can say the radius of a sprinkler coverage. So that I have marked on the top on the surface of the green, so that I know that where is deficiency, where is the overlap proper, where is less overlap, so that I can adjust the sprinklers. So I'm going to install 5 sprinklers. One is there, and one is there, one is here, and one is there, and one is there. So there are 5 sprinklers which will be covering this green. So let's see how we will do it. So here you can see we have started the installation of irrigation line. This is a 1.5 inch pipe, class D. We are going to lay this pipe outside the trench. Once that is get dried, then we will install inside, and you can say place inside the trench, because the trench is going in round shape. And if you install, let's suppose you have glued it, and the glue is not properly dried, then and you take a turn of it, you took it into the circle path, then there is a good chance that the joint will leak later. So here you can see the line is, the glue joint is finished. There's a connection. So you can see here the reducing of the pipe, that is coming the 2-inch dia pipe, and here is reduced in 1.5 inch dia on the right side. And here we have a tee-off connection for a sprinkler point. So there will be a sprinkler, and that will be covering the green. And the reducing socket, that is actually the hydraulics. You have to calculate your hydraulics. In our case, around 90 gallons per minute of water will come and pass through these pipes. So these are in loop connection, and there will be you can say each sprinkler will be discharging around 15 to 18 gallons per minute. In some cases there will be 24 gallons per minute water, depending upon the nozzle size. So the calculations are about 22 gallons average of each head, and the pressure, operating pressure, will be around 60 psi on sprinkler head, while the pressure in the main line, that will be around 90 psi. So here you can see, let's see, as the company name, and it's this high pressure pipe, and that is equivalent to BS3504, and about 12 bars there will be operating pressure. It can go up to 12 bar operating pressure. The bursting of these pipes are around I think 30 or 32 bars, and that is the manufacturing date. It's just recently manufactured, and this is class D pipe. You have to check that which class your pipe you are using. So this is class D pipe, 2-inch dia in UPVC. So let me show you the trench. We are now putting some sand inside the trench, so there is a soft bed for the pipe. When we lay the pipe, so there is a soft bed for it. It's already prepared. Now I'm on top of the main junction point. So a main pipe will come from that end, 3-inch dia pipe. It will come here up to 3-inch dia, PUPVCT schedule 80 will be installed here, and on front it will be reduced on 2-inch dia, and on right side it will be reduced on 2-inch dia. So both the pipes will go on 2-inch dia, and once that pass through that line, so we have a first sprinkler there, then we have a second sprinkler there. So these two sprinklers will go on 2-inch dia pipe, and then on the top on the center one, that will be on 1.5-inch dia pipe. While this side of the T, you can say the left side, here you will go. So there is a first tee up connection. There will be a sprinkler on 2-inch dia, and that one is already installed on 2-inch dia pipe. So there is our 4 sprinkler which will go on 2-inch dia pipe, and one on 1.5-inch dia pipe. The cumulative discharge is about around 100 GPM, 90 to 100 GPM, US GPM, and it will be withdrawing water from a 3-inch dia pipe. 3-inch dia pipe can give you water from 90 to 120 gallons per minute US. So let's see how we will end up here. So now we are going to install the pipe inside the trench. See, the glue is now, the gluing of the pipe is completed, and now it's dried out, so it's easily can be installed. The pipe is full hot because temperature today here is about 39 degrees C. Once you place, so you can see now your riser should be on angle and not straight. It should be on angle like that, so that if somebody step on it or a vehicle gone on top of it, so it didn't damage it. So if it will be on angle, so there is a flexibility in it and it will not damage it. So be careful while installation of these swing joint assemblies, and that will help you out. So now you can see I placed the pipe outside. First I glue it, so when it come in proper length, and then after 20 minutes I put it back in the trench, and the trench is going in round shape. So that's done, the installation. Here you can see, here again we will start a pipeline. Now you can see that the turning is gentle, not very sharp. So here you can go for easy installation, it's no problem. So be careful with the installation on the curves. You shouldn't place your pipe while it is freshly glued inside the curve path, otherwise it will be leaking in future. So here the curbing is gentle, so that's why we install the pipe and put it inside the trench directly. Here you can see that we have already placed a T, and that T will be installed on top of the 1.5-inch dia pipe. So pipe installed. Now we will cut the pipe at right position, and then a T will be installed on top of that. Cement thoda lagao. Be careful when installation the pipe. This PVC cement that we are using for jointing, that should be minimum make it very less, a very thin layer is required there. If you put a lot of cement there, then what the cement is doing, they are actually that is a welding element. They acts like a welding element, so it will eat out the pipe, and then there will be a weak spot in it. I have seen on several our leakages points that actually the leakage come from the cement, that the solvent that we are using for gluing, because large of quantity of solvent was used for gluing the joint, and that extra solvent gone and set inside the pipe, and that eat out the pipe later on, and that becomes a weak spot, and the water leak from that point. So be careful with that. Now the next step is the filling up the pipe. So the major work is complete, finished. We are now backfilling the trench, and as you can see, we are backfilling the trench with the sand, and once we connect this irrigation system with the main line, then we will do testing, and hopefully everything will go okay. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and like the videos. Thank you.